How to remove vehicle from Overdriver app. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So for that, you may head over to a browser, and then once you open a browser, you need to go ahead and type in the search bar remove vehicle over. After that, you should be finding some articles here. Go ahead and select the article which is how to delete my vehicle driving and delivering of uber.com. Go ahead and tap on it, and once you click on it, it opens up a page. And from the page here, you will be finding a supplier portal. Go ahead and tap on it, and then after tapping on it here, you will need to log in into your account. And once you are logged in, here on the top you should be finding a menu bar. Go ahead and tap on it, and after tapping on it, from the given menu, select the option called vehicles. After selecting vehicles option, here you need to find the vehicle that you've assigned. So go ahead and tap on it, and after tapping on it, you will be finding some options. You need to scroll down and locate the option called remove vehicle. Just go ahead and tap on it, confirm it, and your vehicle should be removed from the Overdriver app. So that's it. That is how you remove vehicle from Overdriver app. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.